Update, there's so much happening and this is the news that's so relevant, it requires its own video. We start with OpenAI and Sam Altman. They have updated GPT-4o with both intelligence and character. However, soon, CEO Sam Altman shared that the update has made the assistant sycophant-y and annoying. With some good parts, they are now working to fix it. Baidu dropped faster and cheaper ERNIE 4.5 Turbo and X1 Turbo models. Baidu's new turbo pricing, $0.11 per million in tokens for ERNIE 4.5 Turbo and $0.14 for X1 Turbo, means you get about 100 times more context for the same money compared to the GPT-4 family. This puts direct price pressure on Western models and makes it harder for smaller players to charge for premium APIs. At the same time, developers in China and via proxy services globally are given a strong economic signal to build on Baidu's ecosystem. If the price gap persists, we're likely to see more open source clones trained on Baidu checkpoint weights, which could further fuel the race to zero margin.
5 seconds ago, I was just a still image.
Now, I've got a voice.
Welcome to Character AI's AvatarFX.
Takes less time than making a TikTok.
The videos can go way longer too.
Oh, and the voices? Next level.
Next level.
Sorry.
One photo,
One voice.
1,000 ways to create.
AvatarFX.
Character AI releases AvatarFX. Upload a single photo, add audio, and get a coherent video avatar that talks and gestures. Higgsfield's new Turbo model feels more like a practical quality of life release. 1.5 times faster rendering and a 30% lower price make it possible to iterate videos in near real time, especially for creators who test many variations before exporting. The addition of 7 fresh motion styles, including static, arc, and jib, shows that the team is listening to the community, which has long asked for more camera control for music and advertising productions. Overall, Turbo is not a wow leap in image quality, but a clear signal that the battle for speed and price is now shifting to the video field in the same way that the language models have been pushed this year. Moving on, new at ElevenLabs, calls can now be moved between specialized agents without losing context.
Shipped agent to agent transfers. Now, this is really helpful if you have various different specialized agents. For example, a different agent that has access to a different kind of knowledge base, some technical support agent, hardware support agent, billing issues. So, you can imagine kind of building different agents for different use cases, and then being able to transfer between these agents is really, really helpful. So let's have a little listen what that sounds like.
Hey Champ, what's up?
Hey, can I have a piece of chocolate, please?
Well, Champ, you know I'm a pushover for that sweet tooth of yours, but how about you ask your mum first? I think she's got the final say on this one.
Okay.
Don't you try to be cheeky with me. Did your dad say you could have a piece of chocolate?
Yes, he said.
I don't believe you for a second. You go brush your teeth and get ready for bed. No chocolate tonight.
Robotics AI releases Suna, a free open source AI employee that writes files, runs code, and browses. Pros, free and open source, Suna is hosted on GitHub under the Apache license. Versatile agent can browse the web, write files, run code, and handle APIs in a virtual machine, all controlled via natural language. Cons: early stage, bugs around Docker installation and API keys are already being reported. Security risk: because the agent is given write and execute permissions, the wrong prompt, or a malicious user could delete files or run malicious code. GitHub issues warn about this.
We test Suna to go research about itself. For that, it uses the web browser just like a human would, searching, browsing, and clicking, scrolling, and more. It observes the information and later on will use the gathered information to create a final research document to represent its finding. It even goes to its own GitHub page.
Physical Intelligence released a new robotics model called PyDash 0.5. It performs high-level planning and actions via hierarchical inference, enabling robots to perform never-before-seen tasks. Here, they can be seen doing kitchen and bathroom cleaning jobs.
Hey guys. Hey, one robot for your kitchen right here. Alright, could you close the cabinet? Can you place the dishes in the sink too? Please clean up the spill too. Thank you. Could you clean the bedroom?
Could you please clean the bedroom?
Can you put the plate in the drawer?
Put the spatula in the holder.
Could you clean the bedroom?
And close the microwave?
Put the dishes in the sink.
And clean the spill.
You know why you researchers introduced RUKA, an open-source, tendon-driven, and 3D printable robotic hand with 15 degrees of freedom. It can operate for 20 hours straight and successfully perform 31 out of 33 grasps in a standard grasp taxonomy. As always, please leave a like, and if you enjoy the updates, consider following. Thanks for watching.